Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Now we have a teacher evaluation. The first subject is science, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, we can start from part B, Miss.
Okay. One, why do people cut down trees to build roads? To make space for build roads and bridge.
Number 2.
Okay, Miss. Two, why does cutting down trees affect plants around the area? Cutting down trees affect plants around the area because plants will not be grow well and may die.
Okay, Miss. Number 3, Miss.
Number three, what are the non-living things in our environment? Mention three. There are water, sunlight, stone. Four, what can we do to protect the forest? We can plant new trees in the forest. Five, what people build to travel from one side of the river to other side? People build bridges.
Okay, Miss. What are some ways in which our activities affect the environment?
Which are activity that affect the environment? Activity that affect the environment. For example, people cutting down the trees in the forest. It will affect the environment. And people build a building. It also affect the environment.
Okay, Miss. How about our own activity? Our daily life activity that can change or affect the environment.
Our daily activity that can affect the environment. For example, we cutting down the trees around our house, and we littering the rubbish anywhere.
Okay, rubbish anywhere. And then the causes of the rubbish is
Sorry,
the
Miss?
cause of when we the
Littering.
rubbish anywhere.
Our environment will be dirty and unhygienic and uncomfortable for us to live.
Okay, Miss. We turn to math, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, part B, Miss.
Okay. One, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Two, what is another way to say 1:40? It's 2 minutes before 20 minutes before 2.
Okay, Miss.
Three, Melly goes to the library at 10 minutes past 5 in the evening. What time does she go to the library? She goes to the library at 5:10 p.m.
Number 4, Miss.
For what time is it? It's 3:55.
Are you sure, Miss? 3:55.
Yes, 3:55. because the long hand it's at the 11.
I think it is more likely to 255. Almost 3, right?
Oh yeah. It should be 255.
Yes.
In my answer key, I put 3 M's.
Yes, you put 355 here.
Okay, Miss. Yes. I'll refresh the answer key later, Miss. Yeah, it should be 255.
Yeah, because it is almost 3.
Yes.
Okay, Miss, next, Miss.
A soccer match starts at 25 minutes to 8 in the morning. What time does the soccer match start? The soccer match start at 7:35.
Okay, Miss. Now we turn to computer, Miss.
Okay, Miss. What is a FMS logo? FMS logo is a computer program that helps us to tell computer what to do. Two, what instructions can we use to make patterns? For forward, backward, left, and right. Where can we type our comments? In the comments input box. For where the typed comments will appear. In the comments recall box. 5. When given instructions, what happens with the turtle or cursor? The turtle or cursor will move around the drawing area.
Okay, Miss. So, what's the function of FMS logo?
The function of the FMS logo is to help us to tell the computer what to do. For example, we can give instruction using forward. So that is the instruction to move the cursor to move forward or to move to the front of the area.
Okay, Miss. We turn to Matematika.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Titi.
Number 1, Miss, please repeat. Oh, tolong diulangi nomor 1, Miss.
Hah?
Tolong diulangi nomor 1.
Oke, Miss. Ada berapa anak yang suka buah apel hijau? 3 anak suka apel hijau. 2, buah apakah yang paling banyak disukai anak-anak? Buah stroberi paling banyak disukai anak-anak. 3, mawar, tulip, wortel, bayam, bunga matahari, brokoli. Apa saja yang termasuk kelompok bunga dan sayur dari data tersebut? Kelompok bunga, mawar, tulip, bunga matahari, dan kelompok sayur, wortel, bayam, dan brokoli. Perhatikan diagram turus berikut untuk menjawab soal nomor 4 dan 5. Nomor 4, apa barang yang paling banyak dibeli? Barang yang paling banyak dibeli adalah pensil. 5, berapakah jumlah buku tulis yang dibeli? Jumlah buku tulis yang dibeli adalah 8.
Bagaimana cara untuk membaca diagram turus, Miss?
Cara untuk membaca diagram turus adalah setiap barang atau setiap benda itu diberi satu garis. atau satu batang. Jadi satu garis ini adalah satu jumlahnya itu satu. Contohnya ini pensil. Jadi diagram tulus itu setiap satu benda atau setiap satu barang diberi satu garis. Jika barang tersebut berjumlah 5, lalu dibuat garis diagonal seperti ini. Jadi ini jumlahnya 5. Jadi dari diagram tulus di soal ini jumlah pensil ada 10 karena ada dua ikat yang berisi 5.
Jadi masing-masing dia di dalam satu ikatan itu seperti 5 begitu, Miss?
Ya, satu ikat ini ada 5.
Baik, Miss.
5.
Jadi jumlah total seluruh barang yang dibeli berapa itu, Miss?
Total seluruh barang yang dibeli. Kalau pensil ada 10. Buku tulis ini ada satu ikat berarti 5 tambah 3, 8. Ballpoint ada 4. Lalu penghapus ada satu ikat, ada 5. Totalnya 27 barang yang dibeli.
Baik, Miss. Can we turn back to math? I want to ask about 10 minutes past 5 in the evening. What is the meaning of that?
Book ya, Miss?
No, Miss. In homework.
Homework?
10 minutes past 5. Just answer, Miss.
Okay.
It's okay. You
10
can write down your answer. 10 minutes past 5.
10 minutes past 5.
It means
10 minutes past 5, it means
in the evening.
past 5 in the evening. Past 5 means the hour. So it's the hour is 5 past 10 minutes. So 10 minutes past 5, it means it's the same as 5 past 10 in the evening. We write on PM.
25 minutes to 8 in the morning.
25 minutes to 8.
Yes.
To 8 in the morning. 25 minutes to 8 in the morning, it means it's 25 minutes before 8 a.m. It's 25 minutes before 8 o'clock. So it's same as 7:35 a.m.
Okay, so the difference is about past and to.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Miss, thank you. Now we turn to book, Miss, Matematika.
Okay, Miss.
Pembahasan di buku matematika adalah mengenai diagram gambar dan diagram torus. Jadi di sini ada pertanyaan pemantik. Bagaimana bentuk diagram torus, cara membaca diagram torus, cara menyusun diagram torus, dan bentuk diagram gambar. Mungkin pertama bisa dijelaskan untuk diagram torus terlebih dahulu, Miss.
Okay, Miss. Jadi diagram torus adalah gambar yang berisi torus. Jadi torus itu artinya garis tanda untuk menunjukkan jumlah.
Cara membacanya, Miss?
Untuk membaca diagram turus,
atau mungkin cara untuk menjawab bagian ini Miss bisa jelaskan melalui ini Miss,
Ini ya.
melalui ini.
Oke, jadi di sini ada data, ada informasi tentang tanaman yang ada di kebun raya. Lalu ada pertanyaan berapa banyak masing-masing tanaman. Jadi ada berapa banyak anggrek, ada berapa banyak rafflesia, dan ada berapa banyak kantong semar. Untuk menjawabnya kita menggunakan diagram turus. Jadi untuk membuat diagram turus kita membuat tabel, lalu kita membuat di sini nama tanaman, lalu di sini turusnya. Nama tanaman anggrek, di sini ada 3 anggrek, lalu setiap satu benda itu kita beri 1 batang atau 1 garis. Jadi anggrek ada 3, berarti kita buat di sini turusnya ada 3 batang, rafflesia ada 1, kantong semar ada 2. Jadi kita gambar 2 batang.
Baik Miss, sekarang bisa menjelaskan untuk yang bagian diagram gambar Miss.
Oke, jadi ini adalah diagram gambar mengenai hewan yang berada di sekitar pohon ini. Jadi dari gambar ini kita dapat mengetahui jumlah masing-masing hewan yang berada di sekitar pohon ini. Kalau dari gambar kita lihat ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ada 5 burung. Jadi kita bisa buat burung 5 ekor. Lalu tupai. Satu, dua, tiga, 4. Tupai ada 4 ekor. Lalu kita lihat ada hewan selain burung, tupai, ada ular. Ular ada 3 ekor. Lalu ada kucing. Kucing ada 3 ekor. Sorry, kucing ada 4 ekor. Jadi dari diagram gambar ini menunjukkan hewan yang tinggal di daerah pohon ini. Datanya atau informasinya ditunjukkan melalui gambar. Jadi untuk mengetahui berapa setiap jumlah hewan yang berada di area pohon ini, kita lihat hewan apa saja yang ada di sini, kita kelompokkan berdasarkan nama hewannya, dan juga kita hitung berapa jumlah masing-masing hewan tersebut.
Baik Miss, I think that's all. Now we turn to vocabulary Miss.
Oke, Miss.
Computer, traffic.
Traffic, lalu lintas. Traffic is many vehicles moving on the street. Traffic is when people, cars, buses or motorcycle moving on the street.
Treasure,
Treasure, harta karun. Treasure is valuable things hidden and kept safely. Treasure is a special or valuable things such as money, gold, or jewels that hidden or kept in a safe place.
Forward.
Forward, forward is move in front direction. Forward is when someone or something moves moves in the in front direction.
Drones. Science.
Yeah, sorry, Miss.
Science.
Yes.
Drones.
Drones. Drones, pesawat kecil. Drones is small machines that can fly in the sky. Drones is without pilot. Drones is a small machines that can fly in the sky, and it can be controlled with remote or people behind it.
Harmful.
Harmful is it's to hurt something, to hurt something. Harmful is when for example, if we cutting down the trees in the forest, it can be harmful for the plants because it may not grow well or it may die.
Replace.
Replace, menggantikan. Replace is to take something and put another. Replace means can also if we plant something, if we cut the trees, we plant the new trees to replace the trees that we have cut.
Math. Oh, matematika, Miss.
Okay.
Teliti.
Teliti atau careful. Teliti is doing something correct in order.
Diagram turus.
Diagram turus gambar untuk menunjukkan sebuah data.
Lengkung.
Lengkung atau curve. Lengkung adalah garis yang tidak lurus atau bengkok. Garis lengkung adalah garis yang tidak lurus tetapi bengkok atau memiliki belokan. Biasanya berbentuk seperti setengah lingkaran atau melingkar.
Math. Minute hand.
Sorry?
Minute hand.
Oh, minute hand. Jarum menit. Minute hand means the long hands show minutes in the clock.
Our hand.
Our hands, jarum panjang. Our hands is the shorter hands shows hours in the clock.
Arrange.
Arrange, menyusun. Arrange is to put something in correct order. Arrange is when you put something in right order or in the right position. For example, you arrange the smaller number to the bigger number.
Dice.
Dice, dadu. Dice is the small cube for playing games. Dice is small cube for playing games and with 6 sides, and each side has dots.
Okay, I think that's all, Miss. Thank you for your explanation.
Okay, thank you, Miss.